Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to not get copyrighted on TikTok. So first of all, if you have a personal account and let's say you want to upload a video, when you go and add sound, all the songs or all the music that you see are free of copyright. But if you are a business account, then your content promotes a brand or business, right? So you must use sound from separate dedicated commercial music. The thing that you are seeing here, like recommended, favorites, and recent, will not be shown on business account. They will have a separate sound and they can only use certain sound that are available for business purposes. But if you are using a personal account, most of them are usually free because everything that you see, that whether that be original or simply an audio like this one, let's say this one. You can go ahead, use it. This is completely copyright free. You can use this by recording your voice or uploading a video. Thank you for watching.